Hello, I am Harsh from Diligence Certification. Are you an Indian exporter aiming to enter into the Saudi Arabian market? Then you need to know about the SASO Certificate of Conformity. In this video, we will walk you through what it is, why it is important, and how to obtain it. Let's start it. What is the SASO Certificate of Conformity? The SASO Certificate of Conformity is a mandatory document which is issued by the Saudi Standards, Metrology and Quality Organizations. It confirms that your product complies with Saudi Arabian technical regulation and standards. This certificate is essential for custom clearance and market access in Saudi Arabia. Why is it important? Obtaining a SASO certificate offers several key benefits. Regulatory compliance ensures your product meets Saudi standards. Market access facilitates entry into the Saudi market. Customs clearance required for smooth customs processing. Consumer confidence demonstrates commitment to quality and safety. How to obtain the SASO certificate? Here's a step-by-step guide to obtaining your SASO certificate. Step 1. Register on the SABER platform. Create an account on the SABER portal, the official Saudi platform for product conformity. Step 2. Add product details. Enter product information including specification and HS code. Step 3. Select a certification body. Choose a SASO accredited certification body to access your product. Step 4. Undergo testing and inspection. The certification body conducts necessary tests and inspections. Step 5. Obtain product certificate of conformity. If your product meets the standards, the PCoC is issued. Step 6. Apply for Shipment Certificate of Conformity. Common challenges and tips. Incomplete documentation. Ensure all required documents are accurate and complete. Incorrect product classification. Verify that your product is correctly classified under the appropriate HS code. Delays in testing. Schedule testing well in advance to avoid delays. Tips for success. Collaborate closely with your certification body. Stay informed about updates to Saudi standards and regulations. Maintain clear and organized records of all certification related documents. At Diligence Certification, we provide end-to-end support for SASO certification from document preparation to final submission. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.